I assure you complete practical classes from scratch, right from the very basics. And this particular short demo session is about business analyst, a trending and very awesome, cool job. Trust me, a cool job, very much in demand right now. And here in this short session, we are going to learn what is business analyst and what we are going to learn in this awesome course, beautiful, peaceful course, step by step. Come on, let's get started now. As a business analyst, we are involved in understanding the customer requirements. What is what my customer needs, what are his user stories, natural language requirements, what are the customer specific technical aspects, and what about the technology implementations. Yes, sounds bit lengthy but very simple and short. As a business analyst, we are going to understand the customer and get the actual technical specification activities, and we are going to bridge both. We are going to create an interface between the customer and the technical team. As a business analyst, we are involved in databases, we are involved in applications, we are involved in analytics, we are involved in something called the process flow agile. In this course planned for 4 months, we are going to touch base with all these aspects slowly, step by step. What more you are waiting for? Let's have a small demo session. Let's interact. Let's connect for a live demo. Let's interact for 45 minutes to 1 hour with the technology, face to face, step by step, live, online, or in-house classroom in our Hyderabad facility in high-tech city. Either online or in-house or video mode, anything as per your comfort. I am here to provide you the step-by-step activities on what is what with practical examples right from day 2. Day 1 is all about the introduction, the whereabouts, and the installation. Day 2, we are going to start the actual classes, and I would be the trainer for SQL database activities. Of course, introduction first, then SQL activities, Power BI, and Python. Tableau and Agile will be dealt by a different trainer. Python, either myself or a different person, it depends on the availability. But I would be damn sure I will be responsible for first 2 modules. And third, myself or other person. Tableau, mostly other person, and Mr. Shekhar Gunashekaran. And then Agile, a different person who is usually into it technically all these years. So in this detailed course, we are going to have SQL classes, 400 plus queries, and module 2 Power BI, again 350 plus work items. There are good amount of tools and techniques we need to learn in Power BI. Then Python analytics, then Tableau and Agile. Step by step we are going to learn, and I will drive you through the project step by step. I'll be waiting for you for the demo class. Let's meet live. Not just business analysts, we have a good pool of trainers for various technologies you see on the screen. There are 30 plus technologies right now that we are dealing with. And at SQL School, we have been providing this committed service for more than 19 years. ISO certified and Government of India authorized MSME registered company. What more you are waiting for? Let's interact. Come, attend for a demo class, either live online or in-house classroom. Let's interact. You can call me on my number on the screen, or you can also reach our team, or you can connect me on LinkedIn. Either way, and let's get more details about the course and then plan to invest our valuable time in this classes. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much.